Did you get a hot tamale?
The third one in a row.
Do you like them? Yeah. That one go down good? Yeah. Kind of spicy once you get to the middle part, huh? Okay.
This is your fourth one in like 2 minutes.
Make sure it's in there. It's hot, huh? Blow it out. Blow through it. You already think
Gotta
about
stick a couple in there at the same time.
Oh, it's getting hot. You're a soldier. Yeah, hot. Yeah, that's what you do when it's hot, huh? You ballerina? No. Are you Twinkle Toes? Toes, yeah. What?
How's your belly feel?
How's your belly? It's good? Oh.
Mommy's is too.
Good. No, one at a time, sweetie. Your mouth will explode. Hot. Ooh, yeah.
It's got a little burn to it, doesn't it? A little kick.
Blow through it. Blow through it. Ooh, that was spicy, huh? Ooh, that one hurting a little. Some of them could be spicier than the others. You got it? You good? Oh, get it down. Get it down. Get it down. Get it down. You done? Good job. High five. All right. Are you looking for some more? I think you've had enough, have you? Give me a kiss first.